Internet Web 2. How good nature is for us. We totally depend on the nature. Though here is some argument about it, but today I never wanna go there. Just very simply see that in our breathing purpose, what we need definitely is oxygen, right? Oxygen is the fundamental element in our life. Except oxygen, in another way, we can say that we can't live anymore, not a single second. So, right now, would you please tell me from where this oxygen is being produced? In the trees, right? Trees is the big part and parcel in the nature. Except trees, we can't imagine nature anymore. Yeah, except trees, we can't imagine nature anymore. In another significant thing is food. Except food, also we can't alive anymore, which has come from trees as well. It was just for instance, not only these two elements, but also wherever we stare at, everything is the contribution of the nature. In our hands, as easily nothing has been reposed. Even after that, we are the big reason behind the cause harm in the nature. I don't know why we don't understand the importance of our nature. We are constantly destroying our nature. As a result, its harms impact imposes on our circumstance, which we have seen. It's high time to work together for nature. A survey says that whether educated people are contaminating our circumstance more than illiterate people, which is alarming. Only we can refrain from contaminated activity. We have to avoid making up people in various ways and come forward to save our nature. In conclusion, only approximate action can rescue our nature. Otherwise, we would be dissolved as well. Nevertheless, choice is yours. Be humble. Please plant more plantation and save our planet. If you love this video, hit like, comment and share with your friends, family, neighbors, anyone you can do. And never forget to tap on subscribe and follow button for upcoming video. Thank you for watching up my video as yet and have some.